Introducing the all-new JADO S6 Smart Motorcycle System. Built with a modular, quick-release design for ultimate flexibility, it supports 4 versatile mounting options, including handlebar, crossbar, and universal quick-release mounts, adapting to every riding style. The S6 is fully compatible with BMW's original navigation mount, enabling seamless, non-destructive installation. Attach or remove in just 2 seconds. It not only can available for universal bikes, it goes even further for BMW riders. Supporting Wonderwheel control. And direct ECU connection for real-time access to 18-core riding datas. More than just technology, the S6 represents JADO's vision of intelligent riding into the future, where innovation and freedom meet on every journey.